Today I've got a short routine for you for a fresh start. We'll start off with some deep abdominal breathing, bringing one hand on top of each other, interlace at the webs of the thumb, and placing our hands on our belly. Breathing in, allowing our belly to expand into our hands. And breathing out, allowing our belly to move back towards the spine. Doing that again, breathing in. And breathing out. We'll do 3 more. In, allowing our belly to expand into our hands. And out, allowing our belly to move back towards the spine. 2 more. In and out. And last one, breathing in and breathing out. Releasing our hands. We'll do the pump, increasing the heat in our body, bringing our hands up. We'll bend down into our knees, allowing our hands to come back up. Feet straighten slightly, bend and up. And then we sigh out as we come down. Letting go of anything that's bugging us. Three more. And release. We'll do head circles, bringing our hands on our back, fingers pointing down, and we'll start circling our head going one way, releasing any of the tension that we hold in that area, loosening up any knots, any discomfort, breathing into the shoulder, the neck, the upper back. One more. And then we'll go the other way, circling the head, going the other way. Again. Breathing into our neck, our shoulder, upper back, releasing any tension. And coming back to the center, releasing our hands, shaking them out a little bit. We'll finish off with opening the flow, allowing our hands to float up to about shoulder height and allowing them to float back down. Breathing in, hands float up. Breathing out, hands float back down. In and down. In and down. Doing a few more in our own time. 2 more. Last one. Allowing our hands to float back down. Let me know in the comments how you like this routine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please feel free to share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye!